drunk with Josephine. Really? When is it? Shit. I always drunk. I'm a lightweight, right? What the heck? What the heck? You are feeling joy as well. You can definitely finish that whole bag. Yes. Yes. Okay, I think now today is enough. Okay, today we just do this. We do the, okay, chat BB, my homies. So this is the thing we need to go to do after. We will go home, then unbox my Mac. Because we still don't know my MacBook Pro is fixed or not. They just sent back today morning and I didn't unbox yet because I want to waiting for you guys. After we go back, we unbox the Mac to double check the entire Mac is fixed or not. If it's fixed, that means we are so good because they changed the entire name.
Hell yeah, yeah, hell yeah.
Attention shop assistants, where are the potatoes on the store? Hello, anyone here? Hello. Hello, sumimasen, 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 sumimasen.
Thank you, Nikita, for the other 100 bits. Thanks a lot. I cannot finish my story. Thank you for interrupting me. What the heck is happening right now? I'm so broken. Okay, stop chat. Stop. Don't give me any bits right now. Don't donate me. Don't subscribe. Don't do anything. Let me finish my story. I'm too broken. So after we go back, we double check. And the keyboard, if the keyboard they changed for us is free, right? If it's okay, that means we good. But if it's not okay, that means we need to pay. So later we will depends on what happened. Let's unbox first. If after we unbox, we realize our computer is definitely fixed and we don't need to pay shit, that means we're happy and we will celebrate. So we will cook today. Okay? So the thing we need to do is unbox first, then we cook. Unbox and cook. Right? Okay. I hope in our house we have this. The open can stuff. I think we have, right? We don't need to buy. Okay. Okay, great. Great. I love this voice. TTS is scoff English like Halim. I don't know why my TTS sounds so scoff. My TTS is English, definitely not English. It sounds like me. Who made that TTS for me? It's definitely trying to laughing at me. So made this TTS. Thank you for follow Snow It KFC. Oh shit. Okay, so we buy a lot of things. Let's go pay. I hope they accept C-card or credit card. Let me double check. If they don't, do you think we can buy still? すみません。C-card を使えますか？ありがとうございます。これはすみません。とこれ。